Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the region in the Hotels Combined application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the settings section, just click on the region button. And as you can see, here are all the regions that you can choose from. So just find yours and click on that, and your region is set, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.